Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is
KGR. We back. I'm going to borrow a word from Zig Ziglar. He said you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. That word is for someone. Anyway, today I'm working on this 2012 is a GMC Equinox. The alternator has failed, so I'm going to be replacing the alternator, I believe from 2010 to 2017. They are the same thing. It's a 4-cylinder. So I'm going to bring you along and show you what it takes to do this job. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, support your boy. Like I always say, it takes one to know one, it takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. There's nothing like I'm a self-made millionaire. Someone help you to get there. Please continue to help me to climb this mountain that I'm climbing. That's all I'm asking. Please support your boy in any way that you can. Shout out to Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island, Manhattan, Long Island, California. Lord, shout out to California. Anyway, I always said that KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right now. So the first thing we're gonna do is disconnect the battery. This car right here, you know it has this guy right here. That one is already off. We disconnect the battery. So if we look down here, the alternator is buried down here. See that? So I'm gonna take off this airbox and we'll go ahead and start working, KG. So we're gonna undo this bolt right here for the airbox. The T was that 20? 20? There's a 20. The airbox. The next time, I'll come out this guy right here. So let's go. It's way down here. It's buried right down here. Alright, so I want to make a quick video, so let me take off this airbox completely so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. This one is a 10. See the guy right here. I'll bring you guys here now. Let's see this guy right here. So we're gonna take off this belt. So there's a slot right here, like a little slot there to take off the belt. The alternator auto bolt is one right here. There's one here. There's one on the bottom there. So let me go ahead and take off that belt real quick. All right. So to take off this belt, you see this I already put my extension in there already. I'm going to adjust it this way right now. It's a little tight here. Just give me some. Then we're going to lift up this guy. Try to get the video as well. So we lift up this guy like this. See it? We lift up through the firewall, and then you take off the belt, just like that. Sometimes you have to go down more. Yeah. Go down more a little bit. Okay. I can't get that. Okay, so that's just jamming on the thing. So the place is a little tight here. Alright, so the belt is out. Oh my god. Alright, the belt is out. Sorry about that. The belt is out, so now we're going to go ahead and lose this bolt. Oh boy. So the belt is out, so we're going to go ahead and lose this bolt. We got 3 bolts. One is right here. Everybody can see that. You can see that, right? There's one right here. Everybody can see that. There's one at the bottom there. You can see that, bro. My extension is gonna be there. I'm gonna break down that loose. Lose this guy. Lose this guy. I might use a gun to run that. See how that goes. Yeah, I'll use a gun to run that. There's a bolt at the bottom there. There's another one right here. Oh, they're the same bolt. They're the same. There's another one here. We lose that and go ahead and flip the alternator, push it out. It's not coming out. It's not gonna come out, so see, it's not coming out, so we have to lose this stud right here. You see this stud right here? I have to take off that stud. So I found one that can fit in there to take off that stud. Most definitely that stud have to come out. Okay, we're gonna lose that guy. Take off the other. It's that tight. Get my gun on it. Quicker. Okay, we got it. I'm going to show you the number that I use. What number is that? It's a 5. 5. So now we take out that stud. So now we can pull out the alternator. So we can flip it over now. Let's see, flip it over so we can get this connector out. Okay, so as you can see, the alternator is out. So I'm gonna flip it over and take off that and connector. That's the next thing we have to do. KG. Alright, so I turn the alternator around and take out that I take off this. Take off this guy right here. Then we take off the cable. So once we do that, we can go ahead now and bring out this bad boy. Just like that. We should have enough room here. Just like that. Boys out. So just remember, just start mine. Alright, looking at the alternator, this is the way this guy is going. Just right there. There's a boat here, there's a boat here, there's a boat here. But this one right here, bring it. This guy right here, the one on the side here, you have to take off that stud, because when you're trying to pull it out, because the stud is in there, it's gonna be hitting like the wall of the AC line. So you have to lose this guy. So I showed you guys a while ago is a 5 little socket that I use to take off that guy, which is this guy, to lose that. So once you lose that, then you flip it over like this, so you can be able to take off this connector, and you come right there and take off the 12. That's it. Once you do all of that, guys out. So we'll wait for the new one, and we'll be right back. KG CP time. The alternator is here. There's a box. It's part number right here, TTY 211459. Right? The brand new inside the box. So that's it. So I look at it, everything is the same. Got a 2-pin here. Got a 2-pin there. You got that guy. You got this guy. So just like that, we have it. This one is a brand new, so there's no cord. You don't have to return the cord. So that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy in there, because time is going. It's almost about 5 something. It's getting dark. So please, I apologize if we're going and put this guy in. Let's see this guy going in there. I'm gonna bring you guys there, and then I'll tie the cable. Alright, here we go. So we're gonna tie that cable right there, going right here, and plug that guy, flip it over, and then start to undo everything. Yeah. Okay, you see, I put the other nut right there, the 12 nut. Now we just have to connect this guy right here. Let's connect that guy. Right there. So everything is good now. So we just have to put this guy and put that stud, and we'll start tying it. KG. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and run this guy now. The 5 first. Run this guy in there. Not much, just a little bit. That's it. And then we're gonna go ahead and put, there's a nut that is going there. Put a nut there. Right there. I'm gonna get a 12. Run that 12 there. Sorry, my camera is kind of shaky here. Because the camera is not balanced. There's a little shaking there going on. There's the hole that is standing right here. This guy. And there's one at the bottom there. tuck it a little bit. You know, that's like tie car. Just to tuck it a little bit. Make sure that we're in good hand. Just a little bit. That's it. This guy. That's it. We'll come to the bottom one. Alright, that's pretty much it. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put this belt. That one I won't be able to show, but I'll put a diagram on it because I'm gonna be covering the camera anyway. But as you can see, it's not out of a big idea, just a 3-bolt. Anybody can do this. So let me pull the belt. Alright, as you can see, the belt is back on. So supposing you're having a problem with this belt, because if the belt comes out of this pulley, you know, it's very difficult to put it in sometimes. So it's better you just take off the tire. It'll be easier for you to do it through the bottom, you know, because the thing is a little trickish there. So just be mindful of that. I'm gonna put the airbox now and then we'll start this car. Alright, the car just started. Alright, that's it on this vehicle right here. Getting a little dark, but the job has to be done, so I finished the job. I'm glad that I was able to finish it. Please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. KG. I will see you on my next episode. Bye. We are done. Peace.